Bakit po ang mga binibili nyo na mga property ang papangit? So, tanong yan ng ating subscriber. Napakaganda yung tanong niya and I'm so glad she asked that because gusto kong i-share sa inyo, i-explain ko. So, one of the reason kung bakit puro ganito yung mga binibili ko, puro pangit, no? Parang kung tutusin, in reality, sa Pilipinas, ito, livable pa sa mga Pilipino. In fact, lahat ng mga ganito na binili kong, mga ganitong itsura, ano talaga, may mga nakatira pa dyan, may nangungupahan pa. But, binibili ko siya, pero kapag pinaupa ko na siya, hindi na ganyan. Kasi ako, my heart is with the Filipino. I want to improve the life, parang yung surroundings and yung environment. Kung kaya kong gawing malinis yan, I will have to do it. So that's what I do. And one of the reason why ganyan yung binibili ko is I'm on a business. So this is a business for me. It's not a charity yet. So this is a business. And my strategy is BRRRR method. So basically, BRRRR stands for buy, rehab, or renovate, and then rent, repeat. So, bakit nga ba BRRRR yung tawag ko dun? Mas maganda kasi nabilhin mo muna siya. Pag mga ganito kasi yung mga itsura, syempre, mas makaka-discount ka. Gawa ng hindi siya masyadong kagandahan. So, you can use that as a negotiation with the seller that you almost, like, technically, you could just demolish the whole house and rebuild the new one to make it much better. So, especially yung mga ganitong toilet, di ba? I grew up din naman na ganyan yung toilet, yung walang takip, yung tabo-tabo lang when I was in the province. Pero, we are in a new generation now. Ako ayaw ko nang ma-experience yung ganyan if possible. So, talagang tinatry ko na ma-improve, na mabigyan ng mas komportable na pamumuhay yung mga Pilipino, especially the young professional. And yes, so that's basically it. Hindi bale na mura yung mga paupahan namin, but the best thing is that I provide clean and modern, hindi yung mga ganito. Kasi I don't, if ako, it's really important that I provide, because this is a business for me, it's really important that my product is kakaiba siya at talaga namang komportable yung titira. So, yun yung isa sa mission ko. So, yeah, so kaya yan yung mga binibili ko. So, I do not mind renovating, basta yung property na binibili ko is reasonable yung price, I will definitely buy. So, if you know anybody na nagbebenta ng mga ganyang itsura ng bahay, and they really need money, so ako, nagpo-focus ako na bumili sa mga taong much needed yung mga ng pera. So, kasi, bakit nga ba pinipili kong bumili sa kanila? I have a reason din kung bakit mas pinipili ko sila na pagbilhan kesa yung nagbebenta lang na hindi kailangan. So, mas pinipili ko sila na pagbilhan kasi hindi lang ako nakatulong sa kanila na ma-resolve yung problema nila, nakatulong din sila sa akin, sa business ko. So, vice versa, may benefit naman. Makaka-discount ako sa kanila. And then, ako naman, in the end, matutulungan ko sila na to get out of their whatever liabilities they have or whatever bills they have to pay in the hospital. So, masarap din sa akin, sa pakiramdam ko. So, normally, kapag may nagbebenta sa akin, I always listen to their stories first and how urgent they want the funds, and that's the time I started working on it. So I still work, and that's actually my job in our company, is to look for to buy. So I have a property manager na nag-maintain ng mga rental sa payments, and then mga maintenances. So my job in the company is to look for property to buy, no matter what, may hawak akong pera or wala. So once I found the property that I think it will work for us, that's the time I will send a proposal to the bank. So ganyan yung ginagawa kong proseso. So yes, so if you want to learn about rental investment in the Philippines, kahit nasa abroad ka pa, just like me, I've been living in abroad kahit nung nagsisimula pa lang akong mag-invest ng paupahan sa Pilipinas. It works a lot for me. But again, it requires a lot of education. So the number one that you should be doing is kung gusto mo talagang matuto mag-invest ng paupahan or whatever goal that you want, even just for your retirement home. Pag gusto mo nang bumalik sa Pilipinas, you want to replace your income, the most important that you should be doing first is i-educate mo muna yung sarili mo. Do not feel guilty of buying some coaches or like having a consultation course kasi napaka-importante yan. Do not spend or do not buy hanggat hindi mo muna natututunan yung process. Kasi alam mo, lahat ng mga business owner na successful, they didn't just accidentally get into that situation. Talagang nag-invest din sila ng time, money, and effort. So, pinaghihirapan yan. In the beginning, it will take a lot of your time and effort. And, of course, you have to spend money as well if you really want to be successful. So, yun yung sikreto ng mga karamihan na business owner na nagiging successful. Kasi, alam mo, yung i-invest na sasabihin mo, gusto mo yung bibilhin mong property ay hindi matutulog, dapat mapapagana mo siya. Kung kaya mong mag-invest na yung in-invest mo na 20% na down payment, kung may makuha kang cash flow doon habang nandyan ka pa sa abroad, if you are an OFW, that will be better kasi it will help you to eventually buy that dream home, whatever your goal is. So, this is what I do. I offer consultation. Kung interested ka, you feel free to email me. On the email, you can find it on the description, claudindegallagher@gmail.com. You can book your consultation with me for 45 to an hour. I am available mostly now for the next 3 months. I've been taking extra calls. So, inililimit ko lang din kasi yung aking mga tinatanggap na calls because I have 2 kids, although yung isa nasa child care for like 7 hours and the other one is the same. So, kumbaga right now I'm free, so it's time na I'll take extra calls because the demand has been really high, but I can't only take so much. So, it's important for you to book ahead and pick the right timing and just let me know kung kailan yung availability nyo. Because hindi rin ako anytime laging available. So, I do accept calls from Monday to Friday now, 6 to 7 p.m. in the Philippines or 7 to 8 p.m. So, if any of those time slot, wherever you are sa Pilipinas, feel free. That would be perfect for me because that's the time na nandito kasi ako sa Ireland ngayon. So, normally the time difference from the Philippines is 7 hours. So, wherever you are, we can work things out. Anyway, it'll be good if you have the consultation because whatever you can get, whatever information you would like to know, I'll be able to provide you and I'll make sure you will have you will get the information and you will learn something from me. I offer also mentorship one-on-one. I'm actually having some mentees already. I started last year, but I'm, again, like I said, I'm also limiting. So on the mentorship, I normally help to set up a goal, how to calculate the numbers, how to buy your first deal, to make sure that it cash flows, those kind of things. That's a lot of things that you would be learning. So I will hold your hand to buy your first rental property to make sure that it will cash flow. So we don't just buy a property na hindi magka-cash flow if that's if that's the goal. So, and also the strategy. So, yun yung sa mentorship ko. But anyway, guys, it was nice to talk again. So, I try to record one video a day, or maybe so one video a week or two. Because, you know, I still have other things to do, and I need to go for a walk and stuff like that. But anyway, I hope you learned something from this video today, and please feel free to leave your comments or send me an email if you're interested to have a consultation. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!